Hello there folks, this is Mix Wars. It's been 7 years since my last upload to this channel, and now we're taking a look at the HGUC 1/144 Crossbone Gundam X1 full cloth. And as you notice on the box, it's monotone, and yes, it's a P Bandai exclusive. So let's take a look at the box and what's inside the box. So yeah, I went ahead and removed all the plates or sprues from the plastic. So what we have here is the instructions, which is for the exclusive X1 full cloth of the HGUC. It has two exclusive pieces, the L1 plate, 4 stickers, and 2 wires, which will be used for its gimmicks, and the instructions. Yes, the instructions is from the GBFT version of the full cloth. Why? Because this kit was first released during the Build Fighters Try anime, and I think it's just that it's reasonable enough for them to reuse the parts or sprues with just some color alterations. So previously the cloth is actually dark navy blue, now it's black. The white parts were pearl color, now it's pure white. So let's take a look at the stuff inside. So here's the foil stickers, part of the Bandai exclusive, the 2 wires, and let's begin with the A plate, which again is now white, which is previously pearl color. The B plate, the C plate, now in all black, previously a dark navy blue. The D1 plate, I think previously it was really yellow, now it's kind of a dark gold one or dark yellow one. The E plate, the F plate for the effect parts. We then have the G1 and G2 plate. And how about the H, which is also separated for H1 and H2. The I plate, oops, sorry about that. The J plate. Lastly, no, not yet, the K plate, again previously a dark navy blue, now pure black. The ABS parts and the exclusive plate or sprue for the P Bandai kit. Now this part I think will be used mostly for the gimmick. So there you have it. That's what's inside the box of the HGUC 1/144 Crossbone Gundam X1 full cloth. So again, we might see each other next time. I don't know what will happen since it's been 7 years since I did any content for this channel. So again, see you next time.